In today's video, I'll show you how to scan any document and turn it into a PDF file using Google Drive on Android. First, make sure you have the Google Drive app installed on your Android phone. Open the Google Drive app and tap the plus button at the bottom right corner. You will see several options. Tap on Scan. Your phone's camera will open. Now place the document you want to scan in front of the camera and take a picture of it. After capturing the photo, Google Drive will automatically crop the edges and turn the image into a clean and readable document. You can also adjust the crop or color if needed. If you want to scan multiple pages, tap the Add Page option to include more pages in the same document. This allows you to create one PDF file with multiple pages. Once you're satisfied with the scan, tap Next to continue. Google Drive will then ask you to name the file and choose where to save it. Tap Upload, and the scanned document will automatically be uploaded to your Google Drive as a PDF file. And that's it. This is a quick and easy way to scan documents and convert them into PDF files using Google Drive on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.